Meaning of first balcony.
First balcony.
First balcony.
First balcony.
First balcony. The first balcony is a term used in theater and performance venues to refer to a specific level or section of seating. Typically, the first balcony is located above the orchestra level but below the second balcony. It is often considered a prime location for viewing performances because it offers a good view of the stage without being too high up. In general, the first balcony provides an elevated view of the action on stage, allowing audience members to see more details and enjoy a more immersive experience.